Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the how to draw two-wheeler tire in CATIA V5. Here, to open the CATIA V5 software, it will open like this. Here, to select the start button. After that, to select the mechanical design and part design. So it will open one dialog box. Here, to enter the part name tire. So after that, to select the YZ plane. So after that, to select the sketcher. So after that, it will open like this. Here to select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the circle. So to draw the circle from origin like this. After that to select the constraint. So give the dimension. So 620 mm diameter. So okay. So after that to select the fit all in. So next to select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the axis line. So to draw the one axis line vertically like this. After that to select the line command. So draw the one horizontal line like this with random dimension. So after that to select the zoom in. So after that to select first point, second point and axis line with press control. So after that to select the constraint, it will open constraint dialog box. Here to select the symmetry. So after that to select the constraint, give the line dimension. So with 160 mm value. So next select OK. So after that to select this point and circle constraint. So give the value 0 and OK. So it will change like this. Okay, drag downside. So after that to select the line command and draw the one inclination line like this. Okay, so it will indicate blue line. So after that to select the constraint and give the dimension with 45 mm value. And next select OK. So here same thing to draw the left side to select the operation tool. In operation tool to select the mirror option and select the axis line. So after that to select the 3-point arc and select the first point and second point and drag top side like this. So to draw the one arc. So after that to select the operation tool. In operation tool to select the quick trim and to remove the unnecessary parts like this. Okay. So to remove all unnecessary parts. So after that to select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the line command and draw the line like this. So close the final diagram. So after that to select the exit workbench. So we enter the 2D to 3D. Here to select the sketch based features. In sketch based feature to select the shaft. It will open shaft definition. So here to select the sketch axis line and horizontal axis line. So next to select the preview view bar. In view bar to select the sharing with edges. After that to select the preview and okay. After that okay. So here to select this plane. After that to select the dress up features. So here to select the shell. Okay, shell option. So enter the value 15. After that okay. It will change like this. Here to select the rotate like this. Okay. So after that to select the YZ plane. So here to select the reference elements and select plane. So next to select the offset value 330. After that preview and select OK. So it will change like this. Here to select the plane. After that to select the sketcher. So to enter the 2D diagrams. So here to select the view bar, in view bar to select the zoom in command. So zoom in. So after that to select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the line command and draw one vertical line like this with random dimensions. So after that to select the of the snap to point. After that to select the operation tool. In operation tool to select the mirror option. In mirror option last option offset, and to draw the offset line. So after that to select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the profile and to zoom in like this here to draw the and design grip design like this. So draw from here and to draw line like this. So after that to draw the complete the this design. So same thing to draw in bottom side also. So drag bottom side. So exit escape. After that to drag downside. So here to select the profile tool. So draw one another design. So like this complete this one. So after that to press the escape button in keyboard. So after that to select the after completion of this to select the exit workbench. So after that to select the sketch based features. In sketch based features to select the pocket. To select the pocket. So here to enter the value 15 to 18 as per wish. So select preview and OK. So it will change like this. So after that to select the rotate like transformation features here to select the circular pattern. So it will open one dialog box here to select the parameters complete from. After the new selection, so rotate like this. So after that to select this plane. So after that to give the values. So enter the value. So approximate to enter the approximate values. So after that preview and then to select the OK. So next one to select rotate like this. So after that to select the same plane. So after that to select the sketcher. So it will open like this to enter the part diagrams. So zoom in. So drag bottom side. Zoom in and drag bottom side. So after that to select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the spline. So spline. So to draw like this on design. So select this here and to select this point and finally to select final point. So after that to enter the escape. So after that same thing to select this spline. So draw same thing from same point like this second point and third point. So here to that enter the escape. Press the escape. So same thing. So to select both lines with control. So after that to select the operation in operation tool to select the mirror option and to select the vertical or horizontal axis lines. Here to select the vertical axis. So after that, to here to select the both lines. After that, to select the mirror, same thing, horizontal axis. So finally, to enter, to select these two lines. So after that, to select the trim option. So after completion of this one, to select the exit workbench. Here to enter the 3D diagrams. Here to select the sketch based features. In sketch based feature, to select the pocket. So enter the pocket. So after that, to select the transformation features. Here to enter the parameters complete from. So after that, no selection. So here to select the display. So here enter the values approximately 60 or 65. After that, to enter the preview. After that, to select the OK. So rotate. See here to select the view bar. In view bar, to select the rotation, rotate. After that, so to select the apply material. So after that, to select the others, in others, drag bottom side. So select rubber. After that, to select the specification tree, part name Tyre. So after that, apply material and then select OK. So after that, to select the view bar. In view bar, to select the so shading with material. So bottom side to third one. So this is the two-wheeler bike tire. Thank you.